Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix ghost touch problems on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin! So, usually the ghost touch problems are actually somehow connected to your screen protectors being faulty, being broken, being low quality. It really depends on the screen protector, let's be honest here. But technically we do not have to remove it right away. We can go into the settings, scroll down a little and enter display. In display, you want to scroll down and make sure that your touch sensitivity is disabled. Because if it's enabled, then this will increase the sensitivity, meaning that technically you have a higher chance of randomly clicking some random things, or even the touch protector itself clicking random things, giving you the illusion of ghost touching your screen. So hence the name ghost touch problem. However, if you have already done that, or if you do not have this enabled at all, and it's still not working, you still have problems with your ghost touch, you probably want to get your screen protector removed. You want to clean your screen very carefully, like you don't want to have anything between your screen and screen protector, and then you want to install it back again. And by the way, make sure that your screen protector is legit, like it doesn't really have to be the Samsung official screen protector because they are pretty expensive, let's be honest here, but just make sure that it's no so low quality $5 screen protector, because they do tend to have very poor quality and they just break sometimes and they cause some sort of issues like this one. So make sure that it's legit and you should be good to go. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.